We have a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. 4-door, 4-wheel drive, one owner, previous government vehicle. It's a government fleet truck, very well maintained. It's got tires with 10-ply all-terrain Firestones, 2-inch towing package with both 7 and 4-pin flat wiring options, bed liner, extremely clean truck. A couple minor scratches here and there, but overall very good condition. 80,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, clean cloth interior, vinyl floors, automatic headlights, driver information center, cruise control, CD player with auxiliary input for MP3, heat and air conditioning. Side impact airbags. You got 3 seats back here. This center console flips up, giving you a 6th seat in the vehicle. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.